Hello students, myself Hardik Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's session, we are going to learn basics of differentiations. You have learned the derivative and you are aware of some basic formulas. So today first we are starting with some basic formulas of derivatives. First one is d by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Same manner, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a base e. Sine has a derivative cos and cos has a derivative minus sine. Tan has a derivative sec square, cot has a derivative minus cos x square. Sec has a derivative sec x into tan x and cos has a derivative minus cosec into cot. Now, sine inverse x is a derivative 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So, cos inverse x is a derivative minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Tan inverse x has a derivative 1 upon 1 plus x square. Cot inverse has a derivative 1 upon minus 1 upon 1 plus x squared. And d by dx of sec inverse x is 1 upon mod under root of x square minus 1. Same manner, d by dx of cosec inverse x is minus 1 upon mod under root of x square minus 1. Okay. Now derivative of product rule. Product rule for derivative. If you have given multiplication of two functions u and v and you are finding the derivative, then first u as it is derivative of v plus v as it is derivative of u. Same manner, if you have given two functions in division u by v, then in denominator square, that means v square. Then denominator as it is derivative of numerator, that means v into du by dx, minus numerator as it is derivative of denominator, that means u into dv by dx. Okay, so these are some basic formulas we require for derivative. Now we are starting with the examples. Now first of all, whatever the things you have learned, formula. So here you have given that first one, d by dx of log x base 10. Now we are aware of, we have learned the log for base e. So here I am going to use the formula change of base and I am going to write this as ln x upon ln 10. Ln, that means log base e. So log 10 is going to be constant, or you can write down this in the form of log e base 10 into d by dx of ln x. But ln x has a derivative 1 upon x. So this will be a log by x. Same manner, second example, d by dx of 5a raised to x plus 3x raised to a minus 5e raised to x by 2. Now see 5 constant, a raised to x has a derivative a raised to x into log a. Base is e. Same manner here, 3 is constant, x raised to n has a derivative n into x raised to n minus 1. So a into x raised to a minus 1. Minus 5 as it is, e raised to has a derivative e raised to, and the derivative of power in multiplication, so you have to write down into 1 by 2. So it will be upon 2. So this is the answer. Same manner, suppose you are finding the derivative of d by dx of 11 cot square x minus 11 cosec square x. Now please remember that here I am going to write 11 common out, d by dx of cot square x minus cosec square x. And if you are remember that, then cot square is nothing but it is cosec square minus 1. So cosec square cancel out and you have only minus 1. So derivative of minus 1 is 0. So 0 into anything will be 0. So this one is your answer. Okay. Okay, same manner, here we have multiplication of a two function. If you are starting with a first one, then d by dx of sec 5x into log x raised to 4 base e. Now here it is base e, so I am going to write ln. And I am here going to use the property of log. So this can be written as, here multiplication is given. So first sec 5x as it is into d by dx of 4 times ln x. By property of log, power will be the multiplication of log. Plus 4 times ln x as it is and derivative of sec 5x. So here sec 5x as it is, 4 constant common out and log has a derivative 1 upon x. Same manner here 4 ln x constant, sec has a derivative sec x into tan x. So sec 5x into tan 5x into, you have to find out the derivative of 5x, that means it is 5. So 5 4 is a 20, so final answer will be, so final answer will be 4 sec 5x divided by x plus 20 ln x into sec 5x into tan 5x. Okay. Same manner, second example, here d by dx of e raised to 3x into sine 3x into log 3x. Okay. Now see, here three functions are given, so you have to put 2 as it is and derivative of third one will be there. So first e raised to 3x sine 3x as it is and d by dx of log 3x plus e raised to 3x log 3x as it is and d by dx of sine 3x. Same manner plus e raised to 3x, e raised to, now we have to differentiate e raised to 3x. So sine 3x and log 3x as it is and d by dx of e raised to 3x. Now if we are going to write the answer, then here it is e raised to 3x sine 3x, log has a derivative 1 upon 3x into derivative of 3x is 3. So 3 will be cancelled out and we will get answer 1 upon x plus here e raised to 3x ln 3x sine as a derivative cos 3x into derivative of 3x is 3. Same manner here sine 3x ln 3x e raised to as a derivative e raised to 3x into derivative of power, that will be 3x as a derivative 3. So this one is answer. Same manner, the third question we have d by dx of x square tan inverse x. So here also you have to apply u into v, so x square as it is derivative of tan inverse plus tan inverse x as it is and derivative of x square. So here x square as it is, tan inverse as a derivative 1 upon 1 plus x square plus tan inverse as it is and derivative of x square is 2x. So this one is your answer. Okay. Same manner, now instead of multiplication we have a derivative. So if you are starting with the solution, then the first question we have d by dx of a raised to x upon sine x. Now instead of a raised to x, suppose you have 2 raised to x or 3 raised to x, then also the formula is going to be same. So here you have to apply the division rule. So in denominator square, that means in denominator you have sine square. Then denominator as it is, derivative of numerator, so d by dx of a raised to x minus numerator as it is into derivative of denominator, that will be a sine x. So sine x into a raised to x into log a minus a raised to x sine has a derivative cos x divided by sine square x. And this one is our answer. Same manner, second question we have d by dx of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x divided by e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Now see, check it out. If you are going to differentiate, then in denominator, denominator square. So e raised to x plus e raised to minus x the whole square. Now denominator as it is and derivative of numerator. So derivative of this term. Now I am going to write derivative directly. So e raised to x as a derivative e raised to x. And e raised to minus x as a derivative minus e raised to x. So we have minus minus plus e raised to minus x. Minus now e raised to x minus e raised to minus x as it is. That means numerator as it is. And derivative of denominator. So you have e raised to x minus e raised to minus x. So this is basically a e raised to x plus e raised to minus x the whole square. So if you are going to multiply, then you will have e raised to 2x plus 1 plus 1 plus e raised to minus 2x minus e raised to 2x minus minus plus 1 plus 1 minus e raised to minus 2x divided by e raised to x plus e raised to minus x the whole square. And that will give you the answer. If you are going to simplify this term, then you will have 4 upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x the whole square. Same manner, the third example we have is d by dx of cos x cube upon cos cube x. Now here x cube is in angle and here it is a cos cube. So in denominator, denominator square, that means cos cube whole square, that will be a cos raised to 6. Now cos cube as it is and derivative of numerator is cos as a derivative minus sine x cube and derivative of x cube is 3x square. Then minus sign of division rule. Now numerator as it is, that means cos x cube as it is and derivative of cos cube that means x raised to n. X raised to n has a derivative n into x raised to n minus 1. So 3 cos square x into derivative of cos is minus sine. So minus I am going to write it here. And this one is our answer. Okay. Now here we have taken one typical example. You have to find out the derivative with respect to x. So if you are going to find the solution, then d by dx of sine of e raised to x square divided by e raised to sine of x square. Basically this is chain of chain rule. So in denominator you have a denominator square. So e raised to 2 sine x square whole square of this term. Then denominator as it is, that means e raised to sine of x square as it is, derivative of sine e raised to x square. Now see, sine has a derivative cos e raised to x square into e raised to x square has a derivative e raised to x square into derivative of this power x square is 2x minus. Now numerator as it is and derivative of denominator. So e raised to has a derivative e raised to into sine has a derivative cos x square into x square has a derivative 2x. Okay. So if you have to simplify, then e raised to sine x square common out and cancel 1 times and you will get 2x e raised to x square cos e raised to x square minus 2x sin e raised to x square into cos e raised to x square divided by e raised to sine x square. Okay, and this one is your answer. Okay, same manner Here now we have a function raised to function, correct? Now this one is a function raised to function. So what we are going to do, if we are going to find the derivative, so I am going to say this is equal to y is equal to x raised to x, and that will give ln y is equal to x ln x. By property of log, power will be the multiplication of log. Now differentiating with respect to x. So d by dx of ln y is equal to d by dx of x into ln x. Now log has a derivative 1 upon y into derivative of y with respect to x. Here you have to apply u into v, x as it is, derivative of log is 1 upon x, plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. And that will give you dy by dx is equal to y into 1 plus log x. But y is nothing but it is your x raised to x. So x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Okay, this one is a solution for first one. Now in the second one, x raised to x derivative we are already aware of. So we are going to use it directly. So d by dx of 10 x raised to x. Now 10 has a derivative sec square x raised to x into derivative of x raised to x, that is x raised to x into 1 plus log x. In exam you have to find this separately and then put it here. Same manner the third example we have derivative d by dx of log 10 x cube base 10 plus sine x in the form of degree. Now see, we are not differentiating in the form of degree, we are differentiating in the form of radian. So we are aware of 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, correct? And here you have to apply the change of base. So this can be written as ln x cube, that means 3 ln x upon ln 10 plus sine of x pi upon 180. Now find out the derivatives. If we are differentiating this, then 3 upon log 10 constant and log x is a derivative 1 upon x. Sine has a derivative cos x pi by 180 into derivative of this term, that will be a pi upon 180. Okay, so this one is your answer. Same thing for question number 4, d by dx of cube root of sine cube root of x. Okay, now first of all, if you are not aware of, then I am going to write this as sine of x raised to 1 by 3 whole raised to 1 by 3. So first x raised to n, so this is cube root, so that means 1 by 3, that means here the power of sine is 1 by 3. Now differentiating, that will give you n into x raised to n minus 1, so 1 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 2 by 3 into x raised to 1 by 3 into, now sine has a derivative cos, so this is a x raised to derivative of x raised to n, then the derivative of sine will be cos x raised to 1 by 3. Now derivative of sine is completed, so now you have to go with the derivative of x raised to 1 by 3. So x raised to 1 by 3 as a derivative x raised to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1, that means minus 2 by 3. And if you are simplifying these terms, then the final answer is 1 upon 9 cos x raised to 1 by 3 divided by sine raised to 2 by 3 into x raised to 1 by 3. Okay, so this one is the answer. Now, what you have given, if fx is equal to this and f dash x and has 4 has a value 15 and f dash 2 has a value 11, then find the value of AB. Now here I am starting with the solution. Here fx is ax square plus bx plus 12. So f dash x. A is constant, x square has a derivative 2x, so 2ax plus b. But f dash of 4 is equal to 15. So here we are going to put x is equal to 4. So f dash of 4, that is 15, is equal to 2a into 4 plus b. If you are not aware of, then first we are going to write this as f dash of 4. X is equal to 4. So we have 15 is equal to 8a plus b. This is the first equation. Same manner, and f dash of 2 is equal to 11, and that will give you f dash of 2 is equal to 2a into 2 plus b, and that will give you 11 is equal to 4a plus b. This is the second equation. So what we are going to do, we are going to take a subtraction 1 minus 2. So 15 minus 2, 15 minus 11 is 4. 8a minus 4a, that will be a 4a, and b minus b will be 0. So you will have a is equal to 1. Now a is equal to 1, put in either of them. So I am going to put in equation second. So put value in equation 2. And that will give 11 is equal to 4 plus b. So b is equal to 11 minus 4. That means b is equal to 7. So this is the value of b. Done? Same manner, what is the equation of a tangent line of a curve this at x is equal to 0? Now first of all, if you are going to put, for you have equation x y raised to 5 plus 2x square y minus x cube plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, implies what you have? 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So you have y is equal to minus 1. Correct? So x is 0, then y is minus 1. This is the first thing we have required. Secondly, we are differentiating this equation, differentiating equation 1 with respect to x. And that will give you, here you are differentiating with respect to x, then first x as it is, derivative of y raised to 5 is 5 into y raised to 4 into dy by dx, plus y raised to 5 as it is, derivative of x is 1, so no need to write. Same manner 2x square as it is, derivative of y is dy by dx, plus y as it is, derivative of 2x square, that will be a 4x, minus x cube has a derivative 3x square, and y has a derivative dy by dx. 1 has a derivative 0, 0 has a derivative 0. And that will give you, if we are going to combine the terms with dy by dx, then you have dy by dx into 5xy raised to 4 plus 2x square plus 1, and the remaining terms we have plus y raised to 5 plus 4xy minus 3x square is equal to 0. And if you are going to put, see, we have to find the equation of a tangent line. For that we required a slope, and we required a slope, that means we required dy by dx. That's why we have to find out dy by dx at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. So put it here, x is 0 and y is minus 1. And this will give you 0 plus 0 plus 1, that means 1. Y is minus 1, so minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1. X is 0, this is 0, so plus 0 and is equal to 0. And that will give you dy by dx is equal to 1. That means slope is m. M is 1, and you have a point 0 comma minus 1, and you have to find out the equation of a tangent line. So slope is given and we have to find out the line passing through the point. So equation of a line having slope m and passing through zero minus 1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Correct? So y minus minus plus 1 is equal to m is 1, x minus x1 is 0. And that will give y plus 1 is equal to x. Or you can write down that x minus y is equal to 1. This is the equation of a tangent. Okay? Tangent line. Done? Now, this is d by dx of. Now here we have three functions in the multiplication. So if you are starting with the solution, then here we are applying two functions as it is and derivative of third one. This is the one method. Same manner second and same manner third. Or another method is multiply all the terms and simplify. That means instead of this, you can do it like multiplying these terms. So that will give you x root x plus root x minus 1. This is into 1 upon x plus 4. Same manner d by dx of multiply this two. So so this will be a root x plus 1 upon root x minus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 4x root x plus 4 root x minus 4x minus 4 and simplify. So d by dx of root x root 4 root x, that will be a 5 root x. First we are writing this 4x raised to 3 by 2, then minus 4x, then terms with root x is 5 root x, that means 5x raised to 1 by 2, this and this. Then term with 1 upon root x, that will be a plus x raised to minus 1 by 2. Then term of 1 upon x, that will be a minus x raised to minus 1. And the last term minus 1 minus 4, that will be a minus 5. So simplify and differentiate. So that will give 4 x raised to n as a derivative x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. X is the derivative 1. Here x raised to n is a derivative n into x raised to n minus 1. Same manner here n into x raised to n minus 1. Here we have minus minus plus x raised to minus 2 and 5 has a derivative 0. So this term is going to be minus 0. Okay. So this is going to be a 4. So 6 root x minus 4 plus 5 by 2. X raised to minus 2 is 1 upon root x minus 1 upon 2 x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon x square, and this one is our answer. So these are some basic topics which we have covered for derivative. If you have any doubt or any query regarding these topics, then please feel free to contact me. Thank you so much.